आज मुदित मन पुलकित होकर बार बार करता यशगान। शत शत नमन माटी की धरती चलता चले तेरा अभियान। शत शत नमन माटी की धरती चलता चले तेरा अभियान। शत शत नमन शत शत नमन शत शत नमन
समस्याओं का हो समाधान। अनंत संत में हो Muradabad, a town named after Murad during Mughal regime. Muradabad is known as 2500 crore rupees export of metal handicrafts. Muradabad is better known globally as Brass City of India. It is located 165 kilometers from national capital Delhi on National Highway 24 towards north of Delhi on way to Nainital and Lucknow. Muradabad is one of the most important railway junction of Northern Railway. MIT is the first and premier engineering college in self-financing culture and system of Uttar Pradesh government. During the progress journey of last 10 years, the salient features of the institute are: it is recognized by National Board of Accreditation. Intake is 600 students every year. It has got 7 engineering branches of BTech degree level.
हम अपने संस्थान MIT को देश का सर्वोच्च शिक्षा संस्थान बनाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। हमारे संस्थान को NBA मान्यता प्राप्त है। हमारा सपना है कि हम अपने संस्थान को एक टीम यूनिवर्सिटी का दर्जा दिला सकें। इसमें हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि हम और नए कोर्स इंस्टीट्यूट में इंट्रोड्यूस करें। धन्यवाद।
Moradabad Institute of Technology has completed its 11 years after inception in 1996. The feather in the cap of the institute is that it is accredited by National Board of Accreditation constituted by Government of India. Still, our students of 7 passed out batches are placed in very excellent organization of national and international importance. At the time of inception of this institute, we were inspired by the name of Massachusetts Institute of Technology, United States. We are not keeping any stone unturned to make the progress of our MIT at Muradabad towards this globally important technical institute.
Muradabad Institute of Technology was founded by the foresightedness of Muradabad Educational Trust in 1996. It is going to complete a decade of its existence and 3 branches of engineering courses. It has now grown to a massive size of intake of our students of 600 and now is running 7 courses of engineering. The courses the institute has made all-round progress since its inception, and our students are placed in good companies not only in India but abroad. We have very good facilities, very well organized modern laboratories, workshop, very good library facilities, good boys and girls hostel, besides several facilities for co-curricular and extracurricular activities for overall personality development of our students. Our aim is to provide excellent engineers. We have competent faculty and facilities to do that. With a good teaching, as I have emphasized, we also lay much stress on research and development so that the quality of teaching can be broadened and further improved. Mission is to have excellence in all fields. I wish my students a very successful career and a very bright future. Thank you.
The Applied Sciences and Humanities Department curriculum contains physics, chemistry, mathematics, professional communication, environmental studies, human values management, the labs impart intensive and extensive knowledge of the experiments to the students in MIT. Spoken English is an integral part of language learning. The success of a technocrat much depends upon his proficiency in using English language as a medium of oral communication. To achieve this motive, two well-equipped language labs are here in the institute. That is the crown of MIT. Here, they also learn how to develop the techniques of interpretations so as to enhance the practicability of the experiments. The department consists of 20 faculty members including 7 PhDs,
Computer-aided manufacturing lab is equipped with CNC milling, CNC drilling, and CNC lathe machines. All cutting operations can be performed automatically according to the part programming. Computer-aided design lab is equipped with AutoCAD, C++, ANSYS, Pro Engineering software. The department has a very good material science and testing lab. It has universal testing machine with a capacity of 40 tons, apart from several equipments like harness testing, impact testing, torsion testing, and heat treatment furnace. Fluid mechanics and machinery lab is very well designed. A very well arranged automobile engineering lab includes various components of an automobile system like fuel supply system, latest technology called MPFI. In addition, Maruti 800 car has been procured so that the students can physically see how the whole system works. Refrigeration and air conditioning lab is very well set up. And is equipped with vapor absorption refrigeration system, window type air conditioner model, gas charging stations, an ice plant tutor. Different cut section models of compressors and many components are being displayed to give a practical feel to students. Manufacturing Science Lab has sufficient number of lathe machines for students to perform taper or turning and thread cutting operations with their hands. Applied Thermodynamics lab is very well equipped with different types of engines like 4-stroke petrol and diesel engines, heat and mass transfer lab includes various experiments on heat transfer, studies like parallel and counterflow heat exchangers. Mechanics of machine lab consists of governor, different type of brakes, clutches, and whirl of shaft experiment setup. Workshop design for first year students basically consists of 3 shops. A lecture is being delivered on material failures to the students of the 3rd semester mechanical engineering. In engineering graphics lab, students are taught to make different views of an object in engineering drawing. This is a research and development lab of the department. The students and faculty of the department carry out research in the areas of materials, development and testing. Faculty is also providing consultancy to local industries and solving their problems. We have at present 18 devoted faculty and 22 skilled technical and supporting staff. CAD of Electronic Circuit Lab functions in 7th semester. Electronics and Communication branch. Electronics lab works in the 3rd semester. Basic circuits of electronics like rectifiers, clippers, clampers, etc. are designed and tested using breadboard. Electronic workshop and PCB lab runs in the 4th semester. This lab concerns with the construction of transformer and PCB designing. Microwave and Optical Communication lab is conducted by students of 6th semester. It includes practical of frequency and VSWR, measurement using slotted line and measurement of antenna, radiation pattern. Experiments of fiber optical communication are also performed in this lab. Of attenuation of optical fiber, calculation of propagation and bending losses of fiber is calculated. Professor V.B. Mathur, HOD of Electronics Department, is giving lecture on tracking radar to students of final year. Mr. Irfan Ahmad Khan, is delivering lecture on communication to students of 5th semester. Electrical lab function in first year by students of all branches. Network lab is performed by students of electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, computer sciences, and information technology. Measurement functions in third semester by students of electronics and communication and electronics and instrumentation branches. The lab consists of practical like measurement of resistance, capacitance, and inductance on different kits. Telemetry lab is in the course of 6th semester. The lab comprises of communication kits like amplitude shift keying and frequency shift keying. Also, there are practicals of error detection and correction. AIC lab functions in 5th semester, electronics and communication and electronics and instrumentation branch. Electronics departmental library is equipped with standard books, journals, magazines, etc. We maintain very inducive, feel at home and open culture in the premise. Because we believe in progressive unfoldment of the students towards becoming perfect IT professionals. To achieve this goal, apart from regular studies, we cultivate the virtues of discipline, high moral values, competitiveness, and team spirit in our students, which leads to the overall personality development of the students. Departments consist of well-equipped laboratories for separate computing platforms, enabling the students to work with different cutting edges and hot cake technologies. The students have access to internet facility through SIFI broadband in the computer center, internet center. At present, department has about 300 PCs in all. All the labs are having licensed software packages which gives the opportunities to the students to develop their practical skills as desired by the industries. Enough laboratory time is made available to the students for maximum utilization of computing facilities. Our main strength is well qualified and experienced faculty members who are very enthusiastic in learning. New technologies and updating their skill sets. Faculty members are always ready to guide students apart from regular teaching hours to solve the extra problems related to curriculum or not. In addition to the central library, the department has its own departmental library. One copy of each textbook and reference books prescribed are available in the library. The department consists of 24 faculty members, including 3 MTech.